In this problem, we're supposed to classify each cost and its amount as either a variable or fixed, and also as either a product or a period cost. And the first cost is completed as an example. So I think they gave us plastic for casing. Now let's see, what are we doing up here? Listed here are the total cost associated with the 2015 production of 1,000 drum sets manufactured by True Beat. The drum sets sell for $525 each. So here are our costs. For example, plastic for casing, $17,000. That would be a variable cost because that's a direct material that's going up and down with production. Therefore, it's a variable cost. It's a product cost because it's something going on inside the factory, and so we'll put it in two places here: cost by behavior, and it's variable, and cost by function, which is a product cost. Also, wages of assembly workers, $87,000. That would be a variable cost because it goes up and down. Wages for workers goes up and down with the production, and it also would be a product cost because it's going on inside the factory. Property taxes on factory, $6,000. That would be a fixed cost because it does not go up and down with volume of what you're making. And it's also a product cost because it's a cost that's not direct labor and not direct material that's going on inside the factory. So that's $6,000 there. Accounting staff salaries, that's the fourth item. It would be considered a fixed cost because they don't usually change. They don't change at all with volume, and it's a period cost because the accounting staff is not inside the factory, so therefore it's not material, labor, or overhead. Drum stands. Drum stands are definitely a direct material, so they're considered a variable cost because they go up and down with volume, and they are a product cost because they're going on. The cost is being incurred inside the factory. It's direct material. Number 6, rent cost of equipment for sales staff. Well, rent is normally considered a fixed cost. It doesn't go up and down with volume. So therefore it's fixed under cost behavior, $36,000, and it would be going on outside of the factory because it's for sales staff, so it's $36,000 under the period cost. Upper management salaries, same thing. It's considered a fixed cost, and it's also going on outside the factory, so therefore it's going to be a period cost. Annual flat fee for factory maintenance service, and we have something now going on inside the factory, but it's not material and it's not labor, so therefore it's going to be a fixed cost and it's going to be a product cost because, again, it's, like I said, going on inside the factory. Sales commissions. Sales commissions vary with volume. The more sales you have, the more volume you have, the more sales commissions you have. So therefore this is going to be a variable cost, and sales commissions are not going on inside the factory, so they're outside the factory, so therefore it's a period cost. Machinery, depreciation, straight line. This is machinery, so it's inside the factory, and since it's straight line depreciation, it's a fixed cost and it's a product cost. It's not material, it's not labor, but it's overhead.